Hello, this is Mary from iChemLabs. Let's learn about using ChemScribble to search Google patents. In ChemScribble, you can scribble hand-drawn chemical structures and schemes in the stylus canvas. Above in the interpretation panel, the software displays, in real time, its current interpretation of your strokes as bonds and atom labels. When the displayed content is acceptable to you, the chemical information can be exported to external databases and tools, such as Google Patents, for further research and analysis. The integration of Google Patents and ChemScribble allows you to submit queries easily to search through vast amounts of patent literature and chemistry quickly. After scribbling your query of a single structure or multiple structures, go to the Export toolbar above the Interpretation panel and press the Google Patents button. This opens a Google Patents search window where you can preview your query. At the top of the window will be the structure or structures to be searched. Below that is a drop-down menu where you can select your search parameters. Exact searches only for the structure or structures drawn. Substructure searches for the drawn structure or structures as a part of a larger molecule. Last, similarity searches for molecules with a similar structure to the ones drawn. Below the search type, you can define the scope of your search. Choosing patents searches through millions of patent publications from around the world in Google Patents. Non-patent literature searches through technical documents and books indexed in Google Scholar and Google Books. Selecting both searches through patents and non-patent literature. When you have finished setting up your query, press the search button to begin your search. Your browser will open with your search results. Additional methods for exporting chemical data from ChemScribble can be accessed in the Export toolbar or found in the File, Interfaces submenu. Now you know how to scribble and submit structural queries from ChemScribble to Google Patents. Thanks for watching.